Christy the Science Fox, Book 5, Sound Effection. Christy the Fox was using the toilet in the laundry room, then she was done. "Okay, I'm done," she said. "I hope my mom has my backpack." She got off the toilet and flushed the commode. Then she went in the hallway, where her mom was standing in front of the door with her backpack. "Hey Christy," she said. "I got your backpack." Christy grabbed her backpack and went to school. Then she and Tuck the skunk walked up the hallway. "I wonder what Principal Green is doing," said Tuck. "I wonder that too," said Christy. "'Cause she does crazy stuff rather than breaking school laws." She and Tuck went in Mrs. Green the zebra's office, where Mrs. Cart was standing next to Mrs. Green, who was setting up a TV on her desk. "Christy and Tuck, Mrs. Green is thinking of watching football," said Mrs. Cart. "Okay, let's see what you got," said Christy. Instead of football, a blue outline of a rectangle faded in a black ground, and a white text faded in saying digitally mastered for optimal video and audio performance. "Wait, this isn't a game," said Christy. "It's, ugh." As she stopped complaining, the text faded out and the THX logo faded in. When Christy and Tuck saw the logo, they screamed and ran out of Mrs. Green's office. "Yeah, football," said Mrs. Green. Mrs. Carr turned the TV off. "What is this, Mrs. Green, is this a joke?" she said. "Oh, I fooled you when Christy and Tuck ran off," said Mrs. Green.